Realme 5i LCD replacement. Remove SIM tray. Open back cover. Remove all back cover screw. Remove back cover. Unplug battery. Plug in LCD connector. Then plug in the battery. Test display functionality. Test touch functionality. Apply some alcohol to remove battery. Remove the battery. Remove antenna. Remove the main board. Remove battery plastic. Remove LCD ribbon. Apply heat on the LCD. I use LCD separator. Remove the LCD. Clean all the adhesive on the body. Apply adhesive on the main body. Install the new LCD on the main body. Tighten the glued LCD. Install mainboard. Plug in all connector, except battery, last. Install the battery. Plug in the battery. Plug in antenna. Plug in the fingerprint. Install mainboard cover. Screw mainboard cover. It's done.